The most meaningful moment caught on CCTV camera. CCTV footage captured a young boy playing basketball alone when something unexpected happened. A FedEx driver from the opposite side noticed the boy and promptly walked over to join him. Certainly, having an extra teammate will make playing basketball much more enjoyable for the boy. With his friendliness, the delivery man created wonderful moments for the boy, and the emotions of them at that time were truly priceless.
That's better.
Tell me, what do you think about this?
I appreciate you, sir. All right, little man, stay out.